Understanding the phrase, bash. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the world of English expressions to uncover the meaning and usage of the word, bash. Whether you've heard it in a movie or read it in a book, by the end of this video, you'll be using bash like a native speaker. Bash originally means to strike something with great force. Imagine someone hitting a wall with their fist or a hammer striking a nail. That powerful action is a bash. Example, he gave the door a bash with his shoulder to open it. In informal English, especially in British slang, bash can also refer to a party or celebration. When someone invites you to a bash, they're inviting you to a festive gathering. Example, are you coming to Jenny's birthday bash this Saturday? For our tech-savvy friends, bash might sound familiar. It stands for Born Again Shell. It's a type of command line interface for computers. But don't worry. Unless you're diving deep into computer programming, you're more likely to encounter the party or striking meaning. 1. Have a bash. This means to try something out, especially if you're unsure about it. Example, I've never tried skiing before, but I'll have a bash. 2. Bash on. This means to continue with something, especially in the face of difficulties. Example, even though the project was challenging, the team decided to bash on. There you have it. The word, bash, is not just about striking hard. It can be about having fun at a party or even a term in the tech world. We hope this video has illuminated the versatile ways bash can be used. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its nuances. Keep learning and bash on in your English language journey.